So today we're going to review two different products, two different robotic cleaner. So one is the Seagull 600 from Aiper, and the other one is the Xtrojet from 220 from Kokido. So let's see the differences first between the two models. First difference that comes to mind is the shape. Let's dig into it. So here you open from the four different sides. This is your motor with two different openings here. This will be where the water comes out. This is your filter, so it's 180 microns. And here you can change the wheel position depending on the pool that you have. And you also have two small rakes here. Let me just reassemble it. So the Kokido version has a retrieval kit, which will enable you to quickly catch it with the hook that is provided when it's in the water. The Aiper version doesn't have a retrieval kit, but it's supposed to stop at the pool wall, so we'll see about that. Let's open this model. So a filter, 250 microns. And here are where the debris will be kept. One suction mouth. On the Aiper model there's two suction mouths, so let's see what kind of influence this will have. Alright, we'll put them into water and let's see which one performs the best. Okay guys, so I've been seeing that the robots don't suction properly anymore, so I'm guessing that they're full. I'm gonna take them out and see for myself. So I'm gonna first take the Aiper model. Yeah, as you can see, the suction heads here are clogged. That's probably why it's not suctioning anymore. The noise that you're hearing means that we need to turn it off. So now it's turned off. Let me just put it here for the moment, and I'm gonna put my other hook, and I'm gonna grab from the retrieval kit. As you can see, it's actually easier this way. Same. Turn it off. Make sure you grab it from the bottom, it's easier to empty. So now what I'm gonna do is, well, firstly I'm gonna check what kind of debris each of them has taken, and then I'm gonna weight the debris and let's see what the results are. Take this bottom off, the filter out. That is the reason why it was not suctioned properly anymore. It is completely full. So this is the Kokido model, and let's see what the Seagull 600 has taken. Well, at first sight it seems to be that there's more debris in the Kokido model, but let's see what the weighting says. I'll start with the Kokido Mall, putting all the leaves here. I'm still gonna try to get some of the sand that's over here. It's not cleaned perfectly, but that'll do. We have 86 grams here. So now let's do the Aiper Seagull, 0 grams. Take these out. So it's completely blocked here. That's why it was not suctioning anymore. Let's try to get some of the sand here as well, same as the previous model. Well, that'll do as well. A few more leaves here, but at first, as you can see, here is 56 grams. There's a bit more sand, so I could gather a bit more sand, but at the end of the day, this speaks more. The Kokido robot has taken much more leaves, more sand, and well, performance-wise, we have to see that it looks to be better. So there you have it, guys. The Xtrojet 220 against the Seagull 600. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll put also down below the links for the products on Amazon.